Hi everybody, I am back again. Nice to see you. Before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel. Okay, what I'm going to do today is soya sauce chicken. It is super easy way to do it, okay? What I'm doing is, I just go to the Chinese grocery, buy any one of these, okay? Those are the main ingredients inside here already. Most of them, they are very similar, alright? So you don't have to pick up so many Chinese herbs and keep it at home. Just go to buy any one of them, okay? Now, the chicken what I'm using is Maryland, alright? This is somewhere around 1.2 kilo, 3 pieces. Light soya sauce and sweet soya sauce. That's it. Okay? Now, we put in the water like this and cover it up with the hot water or cold water as you like. So now you see the water covered up. I put in the hot water and then I just take any one of these because this is only 3 pieces. I don't need that much, okay? Now, there are 2 bags inside here, you put in together, okay? And then, we put in the light soya sauce. $100 ml. Okay? And sweet soya sauce then. We can put in 150 ml. If you want it to be more sweet, you can put in a little bit more. Okay? This is very sweet. Okay, that's it. Then we turn on the heat, high heat, until it's cool. So leave it cool for 20 to 25 minutes. Then we can cut it into pieces and serve. Hi everybody. Now the chicken is ready. It's cooked ready. Okay, you see. This is a soya chicken. We put it up, leave it there for 10 minutes maybe. So then we cut it. If we cut it straight away, it's not that good, okay? See, this is the one that we made, okay? So it is super easy, you can do it. Now, how do we know that it is cooked or not cooked, okay? It's easy, there are 2 ways. First thing is this part, it's broken first, okay? Then, we use a chopstick or something like that. Just push it down, and then lift it up. When there is no blood coming up, nothing, that's been cooked already, okay? Now, I'm going to cut it into pieces and ready for serve, okay? Now, put a little bit of sauce on it. That's it. Is it very easy? I tell you, super easy. Okay? That's all for today. See you next time. Let me try a little bit, okay? Nice. Very good. Okay, everybody. This is Hainanese chicken rice. Next time, I will make it for you. Alright?